You want this? No problem, I got you. First get a green screen and start typing your texts. Customize it. Go to Shadow, Opacity 100, Blur, Distance 15, Angle -10. Then export it. Now repeat the same process with different texts. Then start new project. Now add your texts you exported before. Go to Chroma key, Intensity 100, Shadow 100. Then repeat the process. Now go to Animation and select the shake you want and apply it on all texts. That's all about text shake on Capcut. It's that easy. I hope I could help. Have a nice day.